Welcome back, guys, and as always, you're alive and blessed. Now that we get all of the kid stuff out of the way, now we're gonna get on the chart to put everything in action. As you guys see here now, it's the same principle, guys, but now the chart, it's a little complicated than the lines, because you see lines, it just lines. But candlesticks is a whole different battle. You see price go up, down, and you legit, this is the money right here. The chart is the money. The previous line, what I draw up, yeah, that's fun and all. But this is where the money happens, because this is what you're gonna look at. Or if you guys want to, you guys may actually put your guys' line there. However preference you prefer trading, to be honest with you. Whatever make you cash flow, I'm all for it. So, as we guys see here, this will be the 4-hour time frame as always. So guys, so how you guys see out here, it's on the 15-minute time frame. So what you guys want to do in a 15-minute time frame now is the same principle as on the 4-hour time frame and on the 1-minute time frame. But on the 15-minute time frame, we're just going to draw up our supply zone as always, our extreme zone, and our demand zone. Vice versa, on the 4-hour time frame, all we're going to draw up is a supply, because we just want to look at the overall flux of the market. The 4-hour time frame, we just want to see where direction price going. That's pretty much it. But what I'm teaching you guys, we don't really care which way price going, because we're gonna scalp a bearish or a bullish, and we're gonna intraday the bearish or a bullish on either rotation or either market structure. But it's good to know. So let's get right into it, guys. As you guys see here, price came back down from an uptrend, which right here was the higher high right here. Price came down from a higher low, higher high. Well, you guys already know this. So we guys see here, this was the extreme demand zone right here, and this was the demand zone, and this was supply zone. Now you guys see here, remember I told you guys earlier, you guys could always enter as long as price respected its extreme demand zone or demand zone. As always, price will always respect the demand zone. As you guys see, the candlestick closed inside, and guess what, it lead to the breakout structure. So simply, as you guys know, as price breakout structure, it's gonna always pull back. And the pullback, guys, the pullback is the key, because the pullback, guys, this is simple right here. Because every video, the pull, as long as the previous pullback do not break the previous low, you're all set. So as a quick scalper, so I'm gonna give you guys two trades right here. Quick scalper right here, we want to enter here on the quick demand zone, because butters say as long as price don't break the demand zone, we're all set. As long as it's not an extreme demand zone below it, and price did not break the previous demand zone, you're all set. So butters say you're all set. I'm gonna trust butters. I'm all set. So what, as a quick scalper, what you would do, you will enter the trade here and take. So you enter the trade here. You ride us right here at the next take profit will be on top here, right? So when you enter here now, you want to sell. As a scalper, we don't care about this pullback. This pullback here, we eat out half of our profit. So this pullback as a scalper is a no-go. We take profit on the breakout structure. So as a scalper, we break off profit. So after we take our profit in scalper, bam, right? We in and out the trade there. And on the pullback now, and make sure, guys, the pullback never break the previous low. And then you guys come here again, set your long again as an intraday trader now. After you already making money from the scalping, you can just come right here now, put your stop loss below the previous low, which is right here now. Guys, it's pretty much simple as now, right? I hope you guys understand what I'm putting down. And you guys see, price came back down. Now, see on this version now, price disrespected the supply zone, and I always preach to you guys this in every video. As long as any candlestick there, even if it's there, peak above the supply or the demand zone, if it disrespected it, came down, just like how it came above there, that means price is still in that direction. But it's gonna give you guys a fake breakout thinking, or price is gonna come down. And a lot of retailers, because they see price came down here, they think this was a liquidity sweep to came back down, but that's false. I'm teaching you guys the truth right now. As long as price do not break this, now if this candlestick, all of these candlestick right here, not even matter if this green candlestick right here, this one candlestick right here was supposed to close right inside it, this whole chart right here would have come down. But you guys see it break past this demand zone, it make a pullback, and this is going to an extreme demand zone. Now let's look for the extreme demand zone. See how high this shit is right here? This shit got all the way up here. So we could even see how this, see all of this right here, just back in time. All of this is where the extreme demand zone. But like I said, we really don't care about all of that, because why? We're a quick in and out trader. But like, if you guys really want to hold this, make sure the price break past it first. If price do not break past this supply zone, guys, exit this trade. Take profit. Do not be greedy. Even though you guys, for example, you guys might buy this contract for, let's say, $60, and all of this candlestick here might only make you $40, or I will, as an example, $40. Take your $40 profit. Do not be greedy and think, oh, but this might be wrong. The price is gonna keep coming back. No, he's not. Guys, I did this. That's why I'm telling you guys, I did everything. If I didn't did this, I wouldn't preach. Always do what you preach. I did this. That's why I wouldn't recommend you guys do it. But if you guys want to learn the hard way, fine. But the thing about trading, you need to have capital to trade. So, as always, guys, stay blessed, stay disciplined, and mind your business, guys.